Boom, ladies and gents, welcome again. What's going on tonight? Tonight, what's happened just a few minutes ago, it is, boom, one of my screen died. Basically, there is nothing wrong with the screen, as you can see, but I think it's either way my graphic card or connector. What's this screen is connected to, because this is an old screen VGA port, and it's connected to the display port through some kind of how you call that thingy, switch or something like that. Anyway, I guess those switch just get broken, or adapter, and I look after it quite long time, and in here they were crazy expensive from those switch from DisplayPort to the VGA. Anyway, I bought one from China, and it's work, let me think, about 1 year, I guess, something like that. So I did dig through my stash of graphic cards, what's laying right here, and yeah, I was thinking maybe I supposed to just upgrade my card, because yeah, right now I'm working on NVIDIA Quattro F580, so quite old graphic card. It's still doing well, though my screen are quite old, and I'm not gonna buy a new screen just to have a display port in it when I'm using it basically for YouTube and yeah, searching about some information in here. So as far I'm not gonna find it at the scrapyard, then I'm not gonna pay any money for that. So I dig out through the stash of my graphic cards and come out with few of them. As you can see here, one of them ATI XFX R7970. Another one is, and this one actually got 3 gigs memory in it, GDDR5. This 1 gigabyte as well, GDDR5, but it's only 2 gigs. Yep, so there are R7870C, and there's 2 1 gigs with the memory, HD 5770, and this one I'm not sure because it's got actually a custom cooling system on it, but it is HD, what's standing here, 577A. All cool. Last one in here, it is, what's that is, ATI or I don't know. Anyway, I pick all of them with HDMI output, plus I got 3 low profile. One it's missing heatsink, but this is no biggie because I got 2 of them. 2 more Asus, I don't know the model, EAH3450. Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna use those. I think I'm gonna go with them. I'm not really huge fan of ATI graphic cards. I always running on NVIDIA, but yeah, that's the only thing what I have for now, and it's definitely much better than what I have on my PC. So let's try to clean them out a little bit, put into some motherboard and find out if they are working. So see you then. Okay, so ladies and gents, let's try them and do something with them. Anyway, right there I got Alimac Mechanical, just listen to their stream. And for start, I'm gonna give them a little wipe with the brush. Nothing extraordinary, because I don't even know if those thingy are working. So let's just wipe away all the dust for good start. And little air blow as well. Okay, I guess that's supposed to be good enough just for testing them. So I think I can use this PC here. Yeah, I got one PCI Express free. Kidoki. Do I got the two 6 pins? There's one. Do I got one more? I don't think so. There's one. Looks like I got only one 6 pins, but I think I will have adapter from Molex to 6 pin. So I'm gonna look after it and then we will find out. So see you then. Okie dokie, so I make this thing here running and we got 64 SSD drive for the system. We got 550 watts power supply. We got one more SSD right there. And one empty PCI Express 3.0 slot. So let's try with this one first. And as I said, I got one 8-pin, sorry, not 8-pin, 6-pin connector in here. Actually, it can be switched to 8-pin, but there's only one. Second one, I guess I gonna need to use kind of adapter, just like so, to get another 60, not 60, what I talking, 6-pin power plus, and will be charged from Molex. So let's try. Let's shut this thingy down and let's see. Shut down. Let's see what happened. Okay, it gets shut down, so let's put those thingy out. Let's try to fit our card inside. It's not quite big. It's quite big, little bugger. But I think Yeah, that's gonna fit in there. There we go. Looks like. Okay. That's massive. Ah, it's some watts. Oh, there's grounding tape. There we go. Now it's good. So there's one. Oh, it's got actually 8-pin power connector. One 8-pin and one 6-pin. So I guess I can use only one. So let's mod that tiny plug just like so. Right? Right. Come on, stay in place. Come on. There we go. So that should fit right in here. Okie dokie. So the moment of truth, and let's hit the power button and see what's happened. Yeah, fans spinning, though I did forget to switch the input from the motherboard to the graphic cards. Anyway, let's do this right now. Just stay here, camera. And we do not got VGE on the camera, so we're gonna use DVI just like so. Let's see. Okay, screen does not reacting, but yeah, that could be some issues by the BIOS, some settings maybe. Let's try one more time. Shut it down. Gone. Oh, it started up automatically. Okay. Let's see what's happened. Nothing on the screen. Okay. Let's go back to the VGA port and see what's going on. Now it's loading system. Yeah, let's see if the system will find out the card inside. So I'm gonna come back as this system will load on. Okay, we got system, so let's see if it's gonna find the graphic card. Move. Oh, what did I start? There we go. This is what I look for. What card we got right now on the motherboard? We got display Intel HD graphics 4600. Oh, 2 gigs memory, not too bad. Anyway, let's go in here. No, come on. system. Where was that? Display. Where is device manager? Dang. There we go. Display adapters. Okay, search after new. Nope. So PC does not see the new graphics. Okie dokie, let's connect network to it and let's see if we install some driver for it. FX R7 970. Okay, the PC begin to play a little bit, but I guess this is, yeah, that's the reason. Hard drive is running on 100%, and yeah, I think either way something wrong with the hard drive or it needs to be reinstalled. Okay, so we got some drivers. We got 64 bits Windows 10. Boom. Okay, get lost. Okay, let's go with the first one. 29/9/2020. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's definitely something wrong with this hard drive. Anyway, I'm gonna download the drivers, install it, and then I come back. So, see you for now. Okie dokie, did download it, install it, and come out some fail. So I begin to read about that card and so on, and I find out I need to have both of the power connectors connected. And as well, I did find out one tiny switch right there. I'm not sure for what is that yet, but yeah. Right now I'm gonna add an extra power connector and we see what's gonna happen next. So let's shut it down again and I see you after I connect it. Okay, so did put an extra power bricks. Oh, I see this one didn't. No, it is. Okay, all cool. I did put extra brick and let's start it and try to check out what in the BIOS settings are. So There we go. And boom, boom, boom. Standard. What do we got? PC initialize display first. PCI Express slot. Yes, slot 1. Yes, that is slot 1. Internal graphics enabled. Yeah, let's keep it enabled just in case. Okay, let's leave that for now. Okay, that's all. So that's supposed to initialize the first PCI Express slot. So not safe. What I'm doing? Exit. Too fast load. Yeah. Exit. Save and exit. Let's try to switch to the second graphic card. Any reaction? Not really. So look like this graphic cards could be dead. But yeah, let's see if system will see it. So see you then, after the machine will load up. Okay, so clearly system does not see that graphic card. Yeah, I got two power connectors, and the only mystery for now, it's left those little switch in here. I have no idea what it does. But yeah, anyway, let's try the other card and see if there will be some difference. So let's shut it down, switch the cards, and yeah, try it one more time. Okie dokie. So ladies and gents, that card not necessarily is broken. I did check out also the switch, but it does nothing whatsoever, though power supply is only 550 watts. And those card is quite power consuming, and actually using the adapter from 2 molexes to 6 pin, actually 1 pin is empty just right there. It's not the best idea, but yeah. I also find out both of the power connection need to be connected. So yeah, I'm gonna take out this card and try the second one, because probably either way is broken or I cannot supply it with enough power. So yeah, in this case I'm gonna check out the card number 2. So let's try to take this one. Oh yeah, it's coming off. So this I may check out once again in maybe in the second PC. I gotta see what kind of power supply I got there. So let's check out this little bugger. Oh dang, this got two connectors as well. But yeah, let's try DVI, HDMI and 2 mini display ports. Let's see what happens. So let's mount it in and go with the same way, and let's hope this one will be enough to get the power from the two Molexes. This one is only two 6-pins, other one 8-pin and one 6-pin. So let's switch to the graphic card we just add. And then see what happened when we hit the power button. Oh, nothing happened. Oh, yeah, put the wire on the fan. Okay. Oh, fan's turning, that's good sign. Though I don't see anything on the screen. Not a good sign. Okay, it's look like I need to get some bigger power supply. But yeah, why not to check one more card what I found last time. It's slightly older, so who knows, we got one HDMI and two DVI ports, and that's our NVIDIA GeForce, what's that, GeForce 9800 GX2. So let's try to switch with this one and let's see what happens, because this one doesn't make any sign of life in here in this setup. So could be my power supply issues. I'm not sure, because this one as well got two of one 8-pin and one 6-pin. So let's try. I slowly losing my hope for testing the thing in here, but yeah, let's play a little bit, why not. Okay, so boom, one last try. Oh, that's some green lights at the graphic card. Here the fans, though no screen reacting at all. So two more lights out there inside the card, few lights around the power. Anyway, so that's actually, in my opinion, it's the problem of the power supply. Yeah, I guess, because with 3 cards I doubt all of them are broken. Let's switch the ports. Nope, nothing happened. So I think I'm gonna find out or look after different power supply for that, something bigger than 550 watts, and then I'm gonna begin testing again. So that was the part 1 of the fighting. So see you for now and take care.